assistant professor in civil engineer at KSSCE. Today we see the topic about vibration, the subject of occupational health and hygienic. What is a vibration? Vibration is nothing but oscillation motion of body in equilibrium position. Example, earthquake, machine and bridge and building sway. Basic technologies: displacement, velocity, acceleration, amplitude, time period, frequency, natural frequency, damping. What is a displacement? Displacement nothing but terms of displacement. What is mean velocity? The distance divided by time is called velocity. What is mean acceleration? Velocity divided by time is called acceleration. What do you mean amplitude? Maximum displacement is called amplitude. What do you mean frequency? Number of vibration made in second is called frequency. What is a time period? Time complete to the vibration is called time period. What is mean natural frequency? Vibration made in natural is called natural frequency. What it means damping means? Damping means a process to avoid the frequency or protect the frequency. What the types of vibration? Pre vibration and post vibration. The vibration made in free energy is called free vibration. The vibration made by external energy is called forced vibration. What do you mean undamped means the vibration made without energy loss. What do you mean damped means vibration made with energy loss. What means free vibration? Free vibration nothing but the vibration occur with own oscillation is called natural vibration. Forced vibration means the vibration made by external frequency is called forced vibration. What means damping means nothing but to prevent or reduce the vibration. This type of term is used for earthquake resistance structure using by a rubber roller at the base of the structures. What is this? Resonance means external energy is equal to the natural frequency which is equal to the external force is called resonance. The source is called earthquake, wind force, rotating machine is called source of vibration. The measurement of vibration done by accelerometer, vibrometer, seismometer, etc. The application is made by the earthquake resistant design, bridge economics, building monitoring and machine foundation. Methods of controlling the base isolation: mass damper, viscous damper, rubber damper, stiffening damper. Thank you.
what is